last video I told you how you can search a good domain name for your website. Now in this video I will tell you how you can buy a domain name from Namecheap. First of all, open a browser, then search namecheap.com. On searching namecheap.com, there will show such an interface. Before buy a domain you have to sign up there, so click the sign up here. Now create an account, you can see here. Select a username here. Choose a password, confirm the password. Now first name, then add the last name. Now add the email address which you want to use for your Namecheap account. Now scroll down and tap the create account and continue. Such an interface will open there. Now hover the cursor toward the domain. Now tap the domain name search. Such an interface will open there. Now type the domain name which you wanna buy from here. In my previous video I told you I will buy the top rating shop domain name from Namecheap. Now I am doing that. Just search for it. Now you can see the domain name which I am searching for is showing here. Just tap add to cart. Now you can see the domain name has been added to cart. Now scroll up, you can see here view cart. Tap the view cart here. On tapping the view cart, such an interface will show there. Before tap the confirm order, if you have a promo code, use the promo code here. On adding the promo code, you will get a few discount. Like I am using the promo code, you can see here. Now tap the apply. Now you can see the price is changed $7.28. This promo code is valid only for 1 or 2 months. So if you are buying a domain name in January or February 2021, then you can use this promo code to get 20% discount. Now tap confirm order. After tapping confirm order, you have to fill account content information. You can see here first and last name are already added. Now use a company name, then job title. You can use anything else, that is not a matter to discuss here. I just use my domain name as a company and job title name. Now address line 1, you can use your own address. Now come to the city, type your city name here. Now the province or state, use the province or state name here. Now add a zip or postal code here. If you do not know the zip or postal code of your city, just open a new tab, then type your city name, then zip code. Search for it. You will get the zip code of your city. You can see my city zip code is showing here. Just copy this zip code and paste it here. Zip code is successfully added. Now select your country. After that, phone number. For phone number you have to first select your country code, then add the number here. Fax number is on optional. If you wanna use, you can use it, otherwise leave it. This is the email address which we used during the creation of Namecheap account. If you wanna change it, you can change it from here, otherwise tap the continue. Such an interface will show there. Just scroll down it, check it, save the configuration about to my default checkout setting, then tap continue. To enable all these options, let this page to load completely. Sometime in this page we face a bit problem. These options will not be enabled for some time, so just go back once time, then come to this portion. All the options will be enabled easily. Now loading has been completed and all the options has been enabled. Now fill the details. Name on the cart, you can see the name on the cart here. Now add the cart number. You can see my card number is showing here. Now type the month and year of the expiry date of your card. Now type the CVC number, which is 3-digit number mostly remain on the back of your card. You can see my card CVC number is shown here. Just type the CVC number here, then scroll down and then tap continue. After tapping continue, there will show pay now button. You can see here. Just scroll down from here. You can see my payment details has been added here. Now scroll down and tap this pay now button. Now in this way you can successfully purchase a domain from Namecheap. You can see here thanks for your purchase. You can see my domain details is showing here. And now I can tap the manage and set it for my website. In my next video I will tell you how you can connect your domain with your website.